In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete Soundtrap account. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to the Home tab here, or any page really inside Soundtrap, and you want to go to the bottom right and click on this support bubble. Now, when you do this, it's going to open up your support chat here, and it's going to say, "Hi there, welcome to Soundtrap support." So what you want to do to actually delete your account, you want to go through the following process. Now, you want to click on here where it says pick your Soundtrap plan. You want to select the one you're using. I have the free version, and then you want to click next. Then it's going to ask you what do you need help with. You should click on account and access over here because that's relevant to deletion of our account. Click on next, and then here you have to describe what you want to do. Just type in, for example, "Hey, I would like to delete my account, can you please help me out?" Press send over here, and then usually within just a few minutes a support specialist will actually enter the chat. They will likely ask you why you want to delete your account, and whenever you actually tell them, they'll be like, "Okay," and then they will help you out with deleting your account. So that's the only way to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.